Hey guys, it is Cal. I'm so excited because this video is in collaboration with Sephora Collection to show you guys my kind of go-to gorgeous spring glam makeup look. So thank you so much to Sephora Collection for sponsoring this video. I will be showing all of you beautiful people step-by-step instructions on how I achieve this makeup look, so if you would like to know, then just keep on watching. But the centerpiece of this makeup look is going to be Sephora Collection's Cream Lip Stain. I am wearing the shade Infinite Rose 05 on my lips right now. I am obsessed. They just launched their shade range from 40 shades to 90 shades. I think that is so cool that they have such a large, diverse range of color. And there really is going to be a shade or two for everybody. Also, this formula is so long lasting. It is literally pizza proof, donut proof, chai latte with almond milk proof because that's my favorite. It's also only $14 US. So I'm really excited to get in this look, and don't forget that you guys can get this cream lip stain at Sephora.com in stores and on the app. Okay, let's get into this video. Here we go. Starting the makeup tutorial, I'm wearing nothing but moisturizer on my face. I'm going to be taking the YSL primer. How gorgeous is this packaging? There's literally gold flakes just chilling inside the bottle. I love this primer. It works with a lot of my foundations. For my foundation today, I'm using the Dior Forever. Love this stuff. Used it literally all of last summer, so I'm really excited to wear it again for spring and summer seasons. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. I don't love full coverage foundations on my skin, so I love what this does because I don't have to set it. And then taking my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Too Faced. I'm in the shade Very Fair. I also love this packaging. So I'm just taking a little bit, putting it underneath my eye, and I just blend it out with a beauty blender. Whatever is left on my beauty blender, I also highlight the top of my nose and forehead. Oh, I'm obsessed with these. If you've watched any of my makeup tutorials in the past, you know how much I love these Fenty Beauty contour sticks, but they're so good. Okay, so here's the shade Amber, and I usually just use the portable brush that comes with it. It blends out so flawlessly and looks so natural. I'm in love with it, so of course I had to throw it in here. Highlighter today, I'm using the Benefit High Beam. I just started using this. I just put a little on the back of my hand, take my damp beauty blender, and how gorgeous and natural is that highlight? I'm so obsessed with it. And then I kind of just work that up my face. For my eyebrows, I'm just going to be using the Too Faced brow pencil. I'm obsessed with it. It's super easy because you can just literally draw lines in your eyebrows, and I'm not very good at filling in, so this works. And then for our bronzer today, I'm taking the Too Faced Unicorn Tears. How gorgeous is this? There is a sparkly unicorn inside the bronzer. Okay, I'm contouring my face a little bit with that as well, just using this Sephora two-ended brush. For blush today, I'm taking this gorgeous NARS liquid brush. I've been actually obsessed with this color lately just because it brings a lot of warmth to my face. Okay, moving on to my favorite part of this look, I'm going to be taking the Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain. First, I'm going to be using the shade 05 Infinite Rose, and then for kind of like a really pretty inner lip highlight, I'm going to be dabbing the color Pink Lollipop 109 on my lips. And guys, these new shades are from numbers 46 to 105. The stain comes in matte, satin, and now metallic finishes. They have such a wide range of richly pigmented colors. You guys are gonna be obsessed. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys here how this really high coverage lip color just glides on so smooth and then literally transforms from this creamy texture to this gorgeous silky lightweight stain. I love it so much because it never gets sticky, so my hair is never caught in my lips and it doesn't dry out my lips, and I just love a really good silky long lasting lip stain that I know is going to keep my lips covered from AM to PM. There's no need to reapply or touch up throughout the day. That's why I'm so obsessed. Also, how gorgeous is this stain? For our eye makeup today, I am in love with these two palettes. So the first one is Crystal Drama by Bobbi Brown, and then the second one is the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. These look amazing together. And then for the brushes, you can just find these at Sephora. Before I add eyeshadow, I always like to pack on a really bright or whitening powder from any eyeshadow palette that you have just to set the foundation. And then this is a great transition shade. It's just from the Crystal Drama palette from Bobbi Brown. I'm just blending that into my crease with a tapered blending brush. Then taking Sunset Dream on a more precise tapered blending brush, I'm brushing this only into my inner corner and outer corner, kind of having a hollow effect because we're going to be putting a really pretty metallic glow color right on the middle of the lid. And then I'm just going to dust this really nice transition shade under the eye. For the middle of the lid, I'm going to be taking Fun in the Sun from Life's a Festival palette. How gorgeous is this dual chrome metallic shadow? I'm in love with it. I'm definitely going to be wearing it all spring and summer. There's a lot of shades that are in this palette that you could totally put in the middle of your lid like this and it looks amazing. Then I'm taking this gorgeous sparkly silver shade and just using it as the inner corner highlight, and it's from the Crystal Drama palette. And then for mascara, this is just from Bobbi Brown as well. This is actually my first time using the mascara in this tutorial because I couldn't find my Too Faced Better Than Sex one, but I'm really impressed with it and I really loved it. Okay, and then to finish up the makeup look, I'm just taking the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Setting Mist, or you can use it as a primer, but after that, that is the completed look. I hope you guys love it. I thought it was really spring inspired. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you loved this look. Don't forget to open up my description box where you guys can find a link to shop the 90 range collection on Sephora collection of their cream lip stain, and let me know what shades you guys are loving from the 90 range collection. I love you guys. Bye.